Welcome to this series of videos about O-level chemistry. This series is designed to be comprehensive and will cover every aspect of the O-level syllabus. In this video, we will explore the states of matter. Let's begin by defining matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid. A solid has a definite volume and shape at a given temperature. However, when heated, a solid slightly increases in size. This is called expansion. And when cooled, it slightly decreases in size. Contraction. The particles in a solid vibrate about fixed positions. In solids, the particles attract one another due to strong forces of attraction that hold them close together. Many solids form crystals. Liquid. A liquid has a fixed volume at a given temperature. But, unlike solids, liquid takes the shape of the container it is poured into. Similar to solids, the volume of a liquid is slightly affected by changes in temperature. The forces of attraction between particles are weaker than in solids, giving particles the freedom to move around each other while frequently colliding. In a liquid, particles are still close together but move in random directions. Gas. A gas has neither a definite shape nor a fixed volume at a given temperature. A gas will take the shape of its container and spread evenly within it. The volume of gases is greatly affected by changes in temperature. The particles in a gas move freely and randomly, colliding less often than in liquids. Now, let's discuss the kinetic particle theory of matter. This theory explains the properties of matter in terms of its particles. The key points are: number 1, all matter is made up of tiny, moving particles, such as atoms, molecules, or ions, which are invisible to the naked eye. These particles are in constant motion. The higher the temperature, the faster they move on average. Number 3, at a given temperature, heavier particles move more slowly than lighter ones. That is it for this video. There are many more videos coming in this O-level chemistry series. Stay tuned and support my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!